Coming up in this video, we're gonna take a look at a Roach Gully. This massive digging been taking place, and remember, there's a lot of work been going on in St. Thomas. So if you're leaving out a little earlier than your time because it causes scarce amount of traffic. And we're also gonna reason about the development of the road. I don't see no pedestrian crossing. I don't see nothing for sidewalk. Coming up and more.
Me, Jai Shenta represent for Michael Super Awesome Channel. Like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell. So the content then drop and you get it first.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing great. Hope you know all doing well. So what? Just do the do know. Gonna know the do you know. So this video now will let you know see as a motorist approaching St. Thomas or you're coming St. Thomas. Yes, so be careful because there's a lot of work been going on in St. Thomas. Okay, viewers? So motorists, so you're approaching St. Thomas, approach it with caution, okay? Yeah man, because work been going on all about in St. Thomas, okay? So just continue to watch this video and you will see cause through them thing, you know it causes a whole heap of traffic. Through work go on, traffic jam. So if you're leaving out, try to leave out a little more earlier. You understand me as a viewers? Yes, so if you know you have reached one place at 10 o'clock, you can't leave out at 8 o'clock. You get what I say? Yeah man, because work go on and traffic a bank up east, west, north, south. You get what I say? Anyway, as you enter out of Springfield here so now, as you can see, this is how the curve and looking up viewers. So it is, take a look. Up there so the road are going on. That's where the road is. So the whole of years I go mall go up to this, you know. You get what I say viewers? That's out a good area out of Springfield here so. Yeah man, St. Thomas. Take a look at this curve and how it is. Up there so the road level I go. Because the half a mile come right up to this. So you understand? So just continue watch this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Bless up to each and everyone. Manners and respect. I want to know what they do, you know, so just do the do, no? So motorists, you all need to see this and passengers also. So if you're not leaving out and have anything pertaining to deal with St. Thomas, come in St. Thomas or you leave in St. Thomas, don't leave on the exact time. Because why? Work been going on in St. Thomas. So it can cause a delay in your time. So just try to leave out a little more early. I get what I say viewers? Yeah, because it's not everywhere in St. Thomas the vehicle can move fast. Some place not fixed as yet. So as you can see, yeah man, out of Springfield here, so do on the pen, new brand curve and them up line up for lie down out here. So you get what I say? Brand new, as you can see everything frame out. I just pour in the material now. Out of Springfield St. Thomas. You get what I say? Do on the pen. Yeah man, so we just say well, continue watch this video, you know. Much more for you to see. Bless up. So viewers and subscribers from Billy Subs, you remember heading into White House is coming from Marant Bay side where the people them usually sell them mango and them onion and them thing there. Right here, so this you know, but take a look at it now, them widen it and push it down, you know. So the people them no longer here selling anymore. I don't know where them is at this moment or if later in the future them are going to return back. If they won't have that space there, but for now they are not there. Take a look at it now viewers, how them widen around this is the corner there. Or remember that narrow corner if chuck back up around the yarn, I mean a problem. Now look at it just how wide it is. Yes viewers, I don't know in the future if them are going to return back, the people will return back, we can sell less up. But for now, them no longer there. So what we are going to do? I will make you take a look at it, you know. You understand me as a viewers? And so how it look, you know. So what we do? Take a look at it now viewers. Yes, viewers, right out of White Horse is here, so which part the people them usually sell them honey and them mango and them something there. So them no longer there, so it widen. Yeah man, so it don't go make the traffic them can free more better now. You get what I mean? Because one time going around them corner, yeah, you buck up on that trailer, you know problem. You get what I say, viewers? So what them do widen it, so get rid of that problem there. You get what I say, viewers? Manners, continue our trip video. Yeah, as y'all can see, we're still inside White Horses, viewers. So let you people see we'll continue. So just be careful when you're going on the road. Okay, motorists? So we are approaching Roach Gully now, in St. Thomas. But viewers and subscribers, let's reason, let's hear, speak your mind in the comment section. All of these time we've been showing, do you see any sidewalk being put up on this road? Check from all the video them what we are show coming up to now. I don't see no sidewalk, So this road that they are developing, they are developed up for walkers, no pedestrian, nobody no for walk on it, it's just motorist road. This, comment down in the comment section and tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. I don't see them a prepare nothing for no walk foot person. It's all about the vehicle. Anyway, take a look out at Roach Gully. It's massive digging. Right out of Roselle before you reach White Horses is the other day them asphalt part of road there, viewers. This is stupidness, And now see them come and dig it up on the corner. Them something should have done already, viewers. Talk to me. Them thing, I believe them thing you should have finished already before you asphalt the road. Now you come and dig it up back. Look so stupid. So stupid. So viewers and subscribers, while this traffic is here a whole way up, let us all a reason pertaining to the road progress to the upliftment of St. Thomas or the development of St. Thomas, what's going on in St. Thomas. Let us all a reason. Is this road is just for motorists alone? Speak your mind in the comment section. Is this road is only for motorists alone? Why I say that? Because all these roads that I see them are developed and they put up and they set up and they whatever they are doing, I don't see nothing pertaining to pedestrian or walk foot. Not even the bicycle man. Because the bicycle man or the bike rider, them have to be careful, Be careful. Because the speed of them carry nowadays and the road that them are developed. It's just all about the car, man. You get what I say? I say this because I don't see no sidewalk. And if you can check from, we just start to post about this development of St. Thomas. And you can recheck them back and look at them. I don't see no sidewalk. So the curb at the side of the road then, and then we have to go use and turn sidewalk. And sometimes when you not walk on them motorists, don't drop asleep because we have to go jump off right there. Not motorist, sorry. In pedestrian. Yeah man, pedestrian when you not walk, we have to go jump off sometime and give way to the motorists. Speak your mind in the comment section. People think, as we telling already, if you now visit St. Thomas or if you know they are St. Thomas and they leave out, don't leave out on time because you see this massive traffic, as we are telling already. Because work are going on the road. So now if you know that, so motorists, if you now come to St. Thomas and the first time, just be careful traveling that side there. See what I say? Yeah man, just travel with precaution. So these are the things that you need to know and you need to see. You get what I say? Yes, so back to the argument now. Want to speak on the mind in the comment section, get active there. I don't see no sidewalk. It's just bare road pertaining to motorists driving. Nobody for walk and so. Eventually everybody have to try one a vehicle now. But they are going to trust it, borrow it, beg it, but try not to steal it. You get what I say? Yeah. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, we bring it to you, make you see what's going on. Work in progress continue. So work been going on all over the place. So motorists, if you're heading to St. Thomas, just careful upon your P and your Q. And them look a thing there, get what I say. And if you leave out, just not leave out exact. Just leave out a little earlier so that you know you can get enough time because you have to book up on them obstacles there along the way. You get what I say, as you can see work straight along the road. You get what I say, viewers and subscribers. So these are some things that you know people need to see and know. So that's how we bring it to you. You get what I say? So we say now that to come to the end of another video, you know. If you're new and subscribe to my channel, welcome to the family, man. Bless up and thanks. And if you did leave a like, thank you very much. What out to add some bless up, man. More respect to the eye. You know what I say? If you did leave a comment, that's where you can get active in the comment section. Keep your mind there. So we can know that to come to the end of another video, you know. Bless up again to each and everyone now. Know what they do, you know. Family subs, if everybody up, just press the thumbs up, man. And show me sound up. See you people in the next video, you know. Safe travel pan the gravel, you know. I'm out.